shit. Here we go again.
What is going on, guys? We are back in Antioch. Here are the new wheels now that we got the tires off, so you guys can actually see it. So these right here are the VOLK CE28n's. This is in 17x10 plus 44. High offset wheel, wide wheel, especially for the S2K because they run high offset and wide wheels. These are in like the hyper green colorway, which I do not like at all. So in this video, we're actually going to start prepping it and also painting these wheels into somewhat close to a bronze color from VOLK. It's not going to be the same just because VOLK patents their bronze. I'm going to try my best, and I don't care because powder coating is expensive and I like to do things DIY style. So let's get today started. So as you can see here, they are a like tealish color, and hold on. Nah. So they are this hyper green color. I do not like it one bit. And as you see here, it's kind of concave. Not as concave as I would like, but it's cool. I got it for a really good price. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually try to remove these stickers as best we can without ripping them. I mean, I'm not worried about not running these stickers, but if I do end up getting replacements, they're like $12 to $20 each, like each set. So that'll be like around 50 to 60 to like 80 bucks just for stickers. So we're gonna try to preserve these, especially the ones on the inside barrel too, because I do plan on painting the inside barrel. I'm gonna leave this green because you're not gonna really see this once the tire's over it. So we're literally just gonna paint this side, this, and then like the inner barrel face, and then the outside as well. Okay, now it's time to save this and put it on some transfer paper. Well, I just found out that you can't really reuse this because it doesn't stay sticky anymore. So I guess we'll just take this all out, I guess, without saving them. Hopefully the inside stickers are cool. Like I could keep those. If not, I'm just gonna mask it off. Alright guys, as you can see right here, all the wheels are scuffed up and ready to be washed. Then after that, I am going to use the tack cloth, then start laying down the primer, which I have over there. I don't know about you guys, but I hate prep work. I hate doing it, but everyone's always told me, and every time I've painted, prep work is the key to a good paint job. And since I'm doing this with rattle cans, I really can't like screw it up, so I'd rather take my time to do this than rush and basically like ruin the process and how the paint's gonna look later down the road. Wow guys, so something just happened to my hatch and it's so dumb. This is why you don't live in a booty ass town like Antioch, because cops who have nothing to do or notice for no reason, and they even mark my tires thinking that I'm not gonna move my car. Hella dumb for no reason on a street, on a suburban street, bro. Like, but yeah, well, I'm gonna move my hatch now because the cop told me to. Stupid. Alright guys, so it's nighttime now. I took a quick nap from like 7 to like 11. Now we're gonna wash the wheels so that we can have a clean surface, and then I'm gonna let these dry overnight so that the next time I come here, which will probably be next week, then I can start setting the primer, or I might set the primer on today just so that they can have the full week to dry. Alright guys, so I have two wheels prepped right now. We have them right here. I'm going to hit them with the base coat. I still have two wheels over there that I will be starting to prep soon. In terms of just taping everything up, like the inside barrels as well as the what's it called? Little things. So what I'm gonna be using is Rust-Oleum filler primer and this Rust-Oleum like little gun. It's a little bit easier and less straining on the hand. All I have to do is just press this in. Pretty straightforward, and then you go like that, and it'll spray it, as you can see right there. I didn't film a lot of me actually painting because it's pretty boring. It's the same thing, like it's just painting. So right here we have the wheels. As you can see, they are primered up inside and out. I did spray them with the primer filler in like a light gray because I did test it out on another piece of metal right here, and this is how it's gonna look like. Basically, it's gonna look like this, like that type of bronze. This is the wheels right now. I'm gonna let it actually cure for like 1 to 2 hours. I'm gonna go chill around inside for a little bit, and then after that I'll get back into actually doing the base coat for the wheels. Reason that I'm doing it on the same day is because, to be honest, I'm not really like super crazy. Like, I like these wheels a lot, like don't get me wrong, but I'm not super like nitpicky in terms of like having it perfect, because this is rattle can, of course, and there's gonna be a lot of imperfections on it. But just knowing that I did it, it's pretty cool. I painted my wheels before, and that was an experience. This one hopefully turns out good because I've never painted bronze. I've only painted like silver. Like, I painted my wheels from white to silver, which is cool. I'll catch you guys in like an hour to 2 hours. Now we are going to use a tack cloth, and what this is gonna do is basically going to get rid of all the debris that's on the wheel itself. Alright guys, it's time to start painting. We are going to be using the brilliant metal finish from Rust-Oleum, the metallic. This is aged copper, I think. So we're going to use these, and we're going to do small coats so we can ensure that we have proper coverage on all the wheels. So let's get started. This right here is about 2 coats. So now we're going to go on to the third one, make sure we get a lot more coverage. Then after that, we'll just keep going. Man, this is looking really, really good also. Look at that. Alright guys, we're going a different route. We're going to go with a gloss clear. It'll look a lot better than the matte. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, cuz. Huh? Damn, Dad. Hit me up if you ever need your wheels painted, y'all. I get it done in a day. So let me show you the magic of gloss. So, as you saw before, it didn't look that good, but then once you put it in the light, bro, like I bought it like this, you know? Like, I was like a VOLK. I need a set of CEs. Huh? Like a YouTube video? Yup. You see, my neighbors even support the CE28s, you know what I'm saying? Straight from the factory, bro. 17 pounds, bro. Oh. Would I leave it in the light? Hey, don't do the imperfection. Don't do the imperfection. What are you doing? Guys, out of nowhere. What? Should I chase it? You won't. You won't though. You won't though. You won't though. Hey dude, Thanksgiving's coming up. You might as well capture it and get it.
It's April.
It's good, bro.
Freeze it.
Alright guys, so this is the final product. As you can see, this is Rust-Oleum's antique brass, and I really, really love it. You can see how good it looks. Ooh. Definitely, the camera does not do it justice, but I will be putting tires on this, and we can finally put these on the S2000.